Okay, so Coca-Cola jumped in because Coke was taking heat because they were like, I think Pepsi first made this statement.
Okay.
About the exit. Pepsi's like, we're out, if I recall correctly. And then Coke didn't immediately make a move. You know Coca-Cola, you know the classic. Mm-hmm. You ever tried it?
Yes.
The real?
Yeah, the real stuff. The classic.
Cane sugar?
You know, man, the history of Coca-Cola is very interesting. Mm-hmm. Like, I don't know if you guys have paid any attention to it, but they tried to switch the recipe at one point, and people flipped. They called it the new Coke. Mm-hmm. People flipped.
Wait, Coca-Cola called it the new Coke?
Yes.
Oh, so they weren't like secretive about it. They were like,
They
we
said
changed the recipe.
they under mounting pressure from Pepsi, the Pepsi onslaught. You remember? No, you don't remember.
Because?
The Pepsi challenge. You sip, blindfold on the street. Which one you like better? Look at that. You chose the Pepsi. Would you look at that?
What do you
Pepsi
get?
challenge.
Did you get like a gift if you chose right?
Yeah, you get the Pepsi.
Just the Pepsi? Oh, they take it away if you chose wrong?
I
No
can't have
Pepsi for
anymore.
you.
You chose wrong. It doesn't go in the commercial, Will.
Yeah.
You understand?
Which one do you have a preference? Coke or Pepsi?
Yeah, Coke, of course.
Really?
Why?
Wait a second.
Oh.
Wait a second here. You're a Pepsi guy?
You're not gonna remember this, but
See you
about
later.
4 or 5 years
Get the hell
ago.
outta here.
No, hold on.
I'm kidding.
I got a story.
Yeah.
About 4 or 5 years ago, I was at dinner with you. We were out with a few people. It was a symposium, and I asked the waitress if they had Pepsi, and she said, "No, we only do Coke here." And I said, "No, I won't have anything." And you lost your mind.
That sounds like something I would do.
Yeah,
That absolutely,
You,
I don't recall it.
Told
But
the waitress like you're gonna have to wait a second, and you just like berated me with like. So
I
many
don't think I
questions.
would have berated anybody.
Okay,
I don't know about
doesn't
that.
sound like you.
I don't think you've got the right guy, actually. Now that I heard that part, I would think it might have been somebody else.
Okay.
I would probably just be intrigued. I might come off as aggressive, but my aggression would only be intrigue. Enthusiastic intrigue.
Yeah. No, it was all in good fun, but it was very interesting for me.
Enthusiastic intrigue. I'd be very intrigued that someone would feel that strongly because I would say Coke, but I wouldn't feel that strongly. That if I needed a cola,
Yeah,
I wouldn't. It wouldn't throw me off to that extent.
Well, everyone in the chat is going for Coke, except for one person.
That went Pepsi.
Pepsi.
That's me and that
Everyone's
guy.
going Coke.
Yeah. Well, anyway, they tried to change to the new Coke, and huge failure. People wanted their classic. And that's where the classic thing came in. Before that, it was just Coca-Cola. They didn't have to say classic. And then the commercial started to say classic because they had to differentiate from the new one, which they canceled after it was a complete failure. So they needed to tell people that it was an actual classic. Anyway, so Coke, I guess, is out now. Maybe we can see what's going on here. So McDonald's announcement, they're leaving Russia. People are selling their supplies on the internet. What supplies?
Coke?
What?
McDonald's?
They're selling their McDonald's meals? Jeez. Black market fast food.
Whoa, what is going on?
What a thought. But actually, Mo, let's think about this for a second.
No, I mean, sure, let's think about it.
You have your habits.
Yeah.
Your daily, look at Tim Hortons, whatever. Imagine it just closed.
But I find another way to get coffee.
Imagine they all closed.
All of them? There's no coffee left?
No, I'm just saying, picture your habit.
Yeah.
Have you ever had a feeling, and Will always does this, Will has cravings, where he just needs to have a certain item.
Right.
And he runs out of here. He sprints out of here to go get it. And it happens every so often. I'm like, are you okay, man? He's like, craving.
Gotta go.
He says it like that?
Yeah, he just, craving. And he's like all the way down at the other end. And he's usually going for, remind me what you're going for?
At McDonald's?
Yeah.
I would go for a McDouble.
So he's normally going
Just
for
a simple.
So he's going
and
for
the junior
no,
chicken.
No, it's fine. It's fine. You're one of those value guys.
Same.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I like the value meal.
What is that about?
I don't know. You get a
Explain it.
variety of food.
Explain
for,
it to me.
Well, typically I get a McDouble and a junior chicken. Now I got a beef burger and a chicken burger, and it cost me less than a one decided Big Mac.
Does it actually?
Yeah, I think so.
2 of those cost less than 1 of the other ones?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So you
You
guys
got
are,
to get on it, man.
so you guys like the variety aspect.
Yeah. Well, I do.
I
don't
do,
speak
too.
for Will. Yeah.
Holy cow. Well, McDonald's got you guys figured out. But anyway, so let's say, Will, for example, the craving hits you on a McDouble and you're halfway down there and then you remember that McDonald's has shut down in the country. You hit the black market or what?
Oh, no, I wouldn't go that far. No.
No, you wouldn't do it. It's impossible.
Just travel to the States or something and do that.
You'd go all the way down there.
Maybe.
Okay. Yeah.
Buffalo's
No,
short
I'm
trip.
just saying it's interesting, man. And I know like on the spectrum of people who love their McDonald's or their Coca-Cola or their whatever, there's a weird thing that happens with supply and demand and scarcity. Once I tell you you can't have it, you want it more than ever before.
Oh, like BTS and Biebs when they made these collabs with.
Kind of. But
all
like,
that stuff
but
was
like,
on
let me
eBay the next
let
day.
me imagine I said to you, Mo,
Yeah. Whoa.
the that's when it first opened in the 90s. Imagine if I said to you, you will never have McDonald's ever again. Today is your last day. You can go one last time. Would you go or not go?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you would go.
Yeah.
Because it's just like, damn.
I'd clear my schedule.
Damn.
Yeah.
Because from a representative perspective, it's not really about the food. It's more the nostalgia of having, it's like all this weird childhood, weird comfort. It's a bizarre comfort.
Yeah.
And they know it with their arches and their smiles and things and their meals that are happy. They know damn well what it is.
It's kind of like comfort food, dare I say,
Well,
to a lot of people.
Yeah.
but in a different way from like home cooking comfort food.
Yes. Yes.
In a different way where it's just such strong branding and such strong memories and the targeting of you when you were a youth, like a child, and the birthday parties, and they used to do the playgrounds. It's also colorful and optimistic presentation. Just incredible marketing and things like this. But anyway,
Yeah.
they're
there's
gone.
Yeah.
They're gone, and people
To sum it up thusly.
they're gone, and people are buying McDonald's leftovers on the black market. It's very dangerous. I do not recommend you do this because I know that the McDonald's burger will never break down. Remember that one in Iceland?
Yeah.
You probably can eat it a month later without refrigeration.
Oh,
But just don't.
No, I'm not saying. I definitely am not advocating. Full disclaimer: do not do that. But some people will try because people will try anything. And hopefully things get sorted out and everything can be
Yeah.
McDonald's and Starbucks and whatever you might want. That you can go get it.